How to hide Wi-Fi icon on status bar on Android. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all, open up the Play Store. Then tap on the search icon at the bottom right corner. Then tap on the search bar. Now type Activity Launcher. Then tap on Search. Now tap on Install. Now after installing, simply tap on Open. Now tap on OK. Now scroll down and find System UI. Then tap on it. Again scroll down. Now find System UI Demo Mode and simply tap on it. Now tap on Launch Activity, then tap on Got It. Now tap on Status Bar. Now simply turn off the toggle for Wi-Fi. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and the bell icon. See you in the next video.